We're testing a popular internet trick to revive dead batteries. Let's see if it really works, or if it's just another myth. I drop some old batteries into a bowl. As you know, batteries aren't cheap. On top of that, they run out quickly, especially when you need them the most. So I decided to check if this trick actually works. I pour cold water over the batteries. Then I add a few ice cubes, not too many. Supposedly, they're meant to lock the lost energy inside the batteries. I stir everything for a moment, then transfer the batteries into another clean container. Now I pour hot water over them. This thermal shock is supposed to bring them back to life. After a while, I sprinkle baking soda on them. It's said to regenerate the inside of the batteries and boost them into action. Finally, I take the batteries out and dry them with a towel. Now comes the most important part. I put the batteries into a device. This is the moment of truth. As you can see, nothing happens. Zero effect. Even though the video got millions of views, it simply doesn't work. Instead of wasting time and risking damage, it's better to just buy new batteries.